Hello, here is an overview of the SEO Audit plus Image Optimizer application for Shopify by Aheadworks. This application is built to automate your SEO tasks and boost organic traffic in just a few clicks. Now, let's see how the application works. On top, you can see a static block with a request to activate Online Store 2.0. This is essential to enable some of the app's features. Activate the function once and use the app to its full potential. Go to the theme settings using the Activate button, activate the following switchers, click the Save button in the upper right corner. SEO Audit plus Image Compression Dashboard consists of the following parts. Site Health Score is the overall SEO score of the website. Depends on the number of pages included in the pricing plan. The score gets updated on a weekly basis every Friday. Crawl Pages section displays the number of healthy, broken, having issues, redirected, blocked pages. Error graph showed the data about all the errors on the website for the last 4 weeks. Warnings graph also reflects the warning analytics. For instance, images without alt, pages without description related to the last 4 weeks. Images displays image optimization results, the number of optimized images, alt tags, and file names, as well as the general weight the images are reduced by. By clicking the Optimize Now button, you will be redirected to the Images section. Automatic Image Optimization service is launched after the settings specified. Decide on the Reducing to options. We recommend to go with Lossless option. Tick other features and click Save Settings. If settings are changed, an auto-optimization process is started for not optimized store pictures earlier. All the optimization checks are saved in the History section. You can equip your store pictures with a branded watermark. It can be either text or an image. Adjust the look and position in the Settings section to the right of the picture. Coming back to the dashboard, Products, Collections, Pages and Blog Post tabs reveal the number of website pages analyzed. Top issues display issues related to SEO page speed. Here you can review the number of pages and the general percentage of issues with URLs, duplicate titles, and duplicate content. On the same line, app users can check broken links and correct them to improve SEO. By clicking Check Broken Links button, we will be redirected to the Broken Link section. We can define for each broken link a custom redirect URL. After enabling auto-scanning, the app cron runs the check once a week. Page speed graph shows the general speed of pages on the website. The page speed score depends on your current plan, so if your plan includes 500 pages, then the graph will display the overall page speed score of 500 pages. The following section is on page optimization. Here, merchant can run an analysis of web page performances in accordance with search engine optimization practices. It happens on the following pages: Products, Collections, Blog Posts, Other pages. The third column contains suggestions on what to improve from the SEO perspective. For instance, here we need to shorten title and description length and add alt tags for images. Metric also depends on the number of pages included in your pricing plan. Page Speed Index measures how quickly content is visually displayed on the web page. Largest contentful pane measures how quickly the largest page element is displayed on the page. Total blocking time measures the total amount of time that a page needs to get blocked responding to user input. If the total blocking time is optimized, load responsiveness will be better. When you open the page, there are few sections with important information related to SEO and page speed. Title tag and description tag. To bring more traffic and increase SERP, metadata should contain keywords. Besides, it's recommended not to exceed a certain number of characters, 2070 for meta title, 160 for meta description, so users can easily understand from search results what is going to be discussed on the page. Image alt text status. Alt text helps search engine bots to read and understand the images on web pages. Meta fields. Here you can edit and customize page meta title and meta description and preview how they will look like in search results with a preview mode. Make sure you pass Google's page speed thresholds. Check whether the page is mobile-friendly according to Google Mobile Friendly test. Enable JSON LD and examine your web page with structured data to make sure your web page will drive qualified traffic. Meta tags section provides an autopilot mode that can optimize images, alt text, meta title, and meta descriptions of the content. You can allow the app decide how it will be performed or set your own template for each operation. You can view the history of all the optimizations at the bottom of the page. In the Settings tab, you can enable some more powerful features intended to improve your store SEO performance, like lazy image loading, prefetching, and a lightweight linked data format. Under the Pricing tab, you can find 4 pricing plans. Choose the appropriate one, identify content weaknesses in terms of search engine algorithm, and redesign your website in accordance with the best SEO practices. Also, here is the FAQ section to answer the most popular questions. In case you still have some questions, you can raise a ticket. Our support team will be there to help.